Good morning students. Today's subject is EVS. In EVS your first chapter is the green plants. So in my previous video I taught you about green plants. In this video we will solve the question answer. Okay. So let's start. Page number 128. Answer the following question briefly. Okay. Answer the following question briefly. So first question is, what is the function of veins in a leaf? What is the function of veins in a leaf? Remember students, मैं यहाँ सिर्फ आंसर्स राइट करूँगी अकॉर्डिंग टू नंबर. ओके, आपको क्या है, क्वेश्चन नोटबुक में बुक से राइट करने हैं और फिर आंसर राइट करने हैं. जो मैं यहाँ राइट करवा रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ आंसर राइट करूँगी, क्वेश्चन आप खुद अपनी बुक से राइट करोगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what is the function of veins in a leaf? So the veins transport water, minerals, the veins transport water, minerals and nutrients to and from. The veins transport water, minerals and nutrients to and from the leaves of a plant. To and from the leaf of a plant. Okay. So what is the function of a veins in a leaf? The veins transport water, minerals and nutrients to and from the leaf of a plant. So second question is, how do stomata help a leaf? What is the work of stomata? Stomata help to leaf to breathe. Okay, so in second question, how does stomata help the leaf? Stomata are like the nostril of a plant that help them to breathe. Stomata are like the nostril of a plant that help them to breathe. That help them to breathe. Okay, so third question is, for the second, stomata are like the nostril of a plant that help them to breathe. Sorry, यहाँ them आएगा. That help them to breathe. Okay, so third is, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis क्या है? Green plants, the process of which plants make their own food using water. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में राइट करवा रही हूँ. Green plants make their own food. Green plants make their own food. Make their own food by a process. Process is called photosynthesis. Fourth question is, how does chlorophyll help in photosynthesis? Chlorophyll कैसे हेल्प करता है photosynthesis में? So it helps them to absorb it helps them to absorb sunlight for the plants. Which is the essential part of photosynthesis. Which is the essential part of photosynthesis. Okay, and the fifth question, is, what is a food chain? Give your own example of a food chain. Okay, what is a food chain? A chain that shows how one organism is depend on another organism. another organism for food, for food is called food chain. सो व्हाट इज द फूड चेन, ये मैंने आपको राइट करवा दिया है, बट इसके जो एग्जाम्पल है वो आप अपनी तरफ से राइट करोगे. ओके अपने कुछ एग्जाम्पल दोगे फूड चेन पे. जैसे यहाँ पे ये बनाया हुआ है, कैसे जो ग्रास है वो कौन ईट करता है, ग्रास ऊपर को कौन ईट करता है, फ्रॉग, एंड फ्रॉग को कौन ईट करता है, स्नैक, और स्नैक को कौन ईट करता है, हॉग. सो ऐसे ही आपको एग्जाम्पल देने हैं, पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके इन फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन ए फूड चेन. ओके सो answer the following question briefly has been completed. So next question is friends, in this video we have done the question answer of chapter first. Okay we solved 5 question answer of this chapter. So you will note down in your notebook and send me on WhatsApp. This question answer is your homework. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.